Hey y'all, it's Dave from Southbound Smoke. On today's video, we're going to take a look at my barbecue shed. It's actually a patio that we built a couple of years ago, and part of it I've reserved for my barbecue place. So I got a couple of grills. I don't know if you can see them in the back. But what I want to focus on today is my toolbox. It's a big old toolbox that I use to put all my stuff, all my spices and other little gadgets. So today's video, we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Southbound Smoke Barbecue. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So again, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.
Put some South in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke.
So check it out. This is my Seville Classics Ultra HD workbench / toolbox. Check it out. I got it at Sam's for about $4.99. It's got some wheels so you can roll it around. And recently I got a hold of a label maker. I've never had one before, so I went a little bit crazy. There we have some spices there and some gloves, some more spices, and then we have here some knives, some tongs, some spatulas. Over here we have miscellaneous and lighters and probes. And let's take a look at some of the spices that we use here around the house. So here we go. Here's our first drawer. We got some Weber stuff, some jalapenos, some beer can chicken, some Kinders stuff. We also have some McCormick, and we have an assortment of McCormick's. This next one that you're going to see is a coarse salt and pepper, but it's smoked. It's pretty awesome, pretty unique, very strong though. And this is the same thing, except it's in fine powder. And we got some consomate there for our southbound onions. We got some ranch there for our wings. And we have here some fajitas sazonador. This is amazing on fajitas. I mean, I'll put that stuff even on beer, you know, just a little bit of salt. And this stuff right here, the buttery steakhouse. This one right here, the buttery garlic. This is amazing on the veggies. Next, well, we have some Killer Hogs AP seasoning and the barbecue. We got some Cosmos, which I totally like. And of course we got some Meat Church and brisket rub. Can't have spices without having the brisket rub there. And here you have some more El Pariente, I believe it's called. We got the fajita with limon. That is awesome on fajitas. Next we have my third, and here we have the chupa huesos. There we go. This goes good on everything, and this is just awesome from some Don Juan chupa huesos. Totally recommend it. And we have our chupacabra. This stuff is great for the brisket rub. And of course we got some chupacabra for the ribs. That's also really good stuff right there. And this is, like I said, we got some lemon pepper, of course. Anywhere in South Texas, you have to have lemon pepper. That goes on almost everything. We got some gloves. We got some heat gloves right there, and we got some other gloves there to pull out hot food. Those are for food, and we've got the black gloves right there and the clear ones. And here we got some more spices, and of course we have some seasoned salt and some salt in a black pepper container. There's the black pepper. And we have some garlic and some onion powder. There we go. We got some of that Cajun stuff. Let's see, we have here some tiger sauce, great on ribs. That stuff is pretty good. We got some duck fat, and of course salsa botanera. You can't have a household without salsa botanera. We have some butter spray, some Worcestershire sauce. I don't even know if I said that correctly. Anyways, we got some salsa Maggi. So that's pretty good too. Also, that goes for our onions. let's go to the next one. We have here knives, and some of the knives, I guess I'm assuming they're inside the house being washed, but here are some of the knives that we use. And sorry for the mess, they're not in any particular order. This is just how I have normally. You have some spatulas there, some tongs right there. And I recently bought this pegboard at Lowe's, and I installed it up there, and I think that's where I'm gonna put my tongs. They're easier to reach. I use them all the time. So, and here we have just some knickknacks for the burgers and for the hot dogs. Some receipts. We have a food scale right there. Here at the bottom we have some pans, and we have all kinds of pans. We have some big pans, small pans, tiny pans. So we have an assortment of that, and I believe I have about 2 or 3 more packets of that. Not all of them fit in there, but I'm a bit of a hoarder, so I like to be ready. I don't like running out of things. It's irritating when you run out of stuff, so I try to keep a plentiful supply. And here we have well, this is one of those mystery drawers. We have some batteries, and we have my barbecue flags, and we have chalk. We have chalk there. Sometimes I'll write the times that I've put in this meat on a smoker on the grill, so that's why we have the chalk there. Here we have our probes and our lighters and matches, and I love those Weber probes. I highly recommend them. I really like them. They're awesome. And then you have an Oklahoma Joe's surface temp. And this is the miscellaneous and junk drawer. So here we go. We have a tape measure in case I need to measure anything here, one of the projects. And here we have some surf on. That's to clean our TV. We just installed the TV here outside. Of course, you have to have your beer salt. There's a beer salt in a receipt from somewhere. And there we go. We have some tape for the Broncos, some letters that we purchased there at Walmart. Let me see. We have one of those string majiggies for the light. We have 2 bottle openers, Sharpie. We have to have a Sharpie there, and we have to have a pen, of course, to write stuff. There we go. We have a beaded pull chain. That's what it was. We have Southbound Smoke business cards. Thank you very much. We have that. We have a tape measure for smaller stuff, I guess. I don't know. This is a picture of myself and my firstborn, Amanda, with her Elmo right there. Don't know what it's doing there, but it's there. And of course, proud member of the Gypsy MC International. So it's one of our koozies for one of our rallies. And we have a smoking meat log. As you can see, it's hardly ever been used, so I guess that's why. Well, anyways, and there you have one of those things to measure how empty or how full the propane tank is. So anyways, a bunch of junk in here. That's what I always keep in there. That's my junk drawer. I think every house should have. I know every house has one, and I think every patio should have one. Those are my Traegers. And of course, this is my Southbound Smoke. Thanks for watching. This is Dave, and this is Southbound Smoke.